Hey everybody, welcome back to another video where I show you how to make money online. I'm really excited about today's topic because this strategy works even if you're a beginner, even if you don't have any upfront capital, or even if you don't have a product or website. In fact, if you've been struggling to find the right method to finally launch an online business, this is the perfect method to get started. And by the way, I've only recently begun building this YouTube channel and sharing these methods. So if you're watching this close to this today, and you're interested in this type of up-to-date content on how to make money online, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I release a new video sharing my experience in this industry. So let's get started with today's training, where I'm going to walk you step by step through the method of making money online that doesn't require you to build a website or a funnel or even a landing page. The first step is to find a network or product to promote. Now, if you're thinking that you can make money online, you'd need to build a course or invent something or even find a product to dropship, there's actually a much more simple method than all of these. The method I'm teaching you today is called affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you don't need your own product. You don't need to build a website. You don't need to dropship or fulfill the product, and you don't even need to handle the customer service. All you need to do is join an affiliate network or a marketplace, we like to call, and that's called ClickBank. Now, if you're familiar with affiliate marketing, yes, there are other networks than just ClickBank. Two of my favorites include Digistore24 and JVZoo. I'd recommend checking these both out. But to begin, let's just start with ClickBank since it's the most well-known network. Once you log into the ClickBank website, simply create a totally free account. Once you're in, click on the shop icon to access their marketplace. This marketplace is filled with products that you can promote and earn a commission every time someone makes a purchase. The products are already created, so you don't even need to create any of your own. They already have high converting websites. You don't need to build a website of your own. Now, there is different ways to find offers to promote. One method is using the category menu on the left of the screen. It looks something like this. In my experience, the top performing niches or categories are related to wealth, health, and relationships. For example, you could select an e-business or e-marketing category and find an offer that interests you. Or you could find a health and fitness or a weight loss course. The other way to find offers is using the search bar at the top. Simply type in something you're interested in and look for the results. Let's say that, for example, you love dogs and you wanted to help people to learn how to train their dogs. Simply search dog training and start browsing the results. Personally, I filter my search results by gravity, which is just an indication of how many times a particular offer has converted for other affiliates in the past week. Anything above 20 is something I'll consider. So with this example, let's take brain training for dogs. It's a gravity of 96.45 with an average conversion value of $31.69. As a quick disclaimer, these numbers are subject to change. In fact, this offer may not exist when you see this video. It's important to learn to find your own offers. That way you adapt your business accordingly. Now, if this offer was interesting to you, I'd first recommend that you click on the title of the offer and browse the sales page. This is the page that you ultimately send your traffic to, and you want to make sure that the product is trustworthy, legit, and within your desired niche. This particular sales page is great. It offers got testimonials, high quality images, money back guarantee, and a ton of benefits. I'm liking what I see. If you think this offer is cool and something you'd promote, go ahead and hit that like button for me. Now that we've done a little bit of research, let's click the promote button. After typing in a nickname, choose whatever you want, ClickBank will generate what's called a hop link. Now, this link is important. Every single time someone clicks on that and makes a purchase, you get a commission. You don't need to do anything beyond that. The commission comes straight to your account. You don't need to handle the shipping, the customer service, or even issue returns. The person who creates the product handles all of that. So you can see why this is a great option for those who are just getting started. All you need to do is focus on generating traffic or customers that to your link, and your job is done. And that brings me to step number 2. See, the most people's problem is you have to actually get the traffic. Well, how do you bring people to your link? That's step number 2. To do this without spending money on ads, we're going to take advantage of groups. Now, when I say groups, everyone immediately thinks of Facebook, but when I say groups, I mean in a more general sense, finding websites which people are hanging out talking about stuff related to the products you're promoting. If you're old enough, like me, to remember that these were once called forums, then you'll get an idea of what I'm talking about. So sites like Quora, Reddit, and yes, those beloved Facebook groups where people spend hours and hours of time looking for solutions to their problems. So let's say you find groups, whether on Facebook or another site. This next part's important. Most people will tell you at this point to just spam your link all over the place. This is a terrible way to do it. Most people are going to ignore you and quickly get booted out of the group. Instead, place your affiliate link in your profile or your bio or your personal page. Then provide value to the group, answer questions, post surveys, provide resources. Use the group the way it was intended to be built. You'll find that people will naturally begin to check out your profile, click on your link, and even private message you with related questions. This is totally fair game to see how you can help them further and share your affiliate link. So let's review. Step 1, find an affiliate network and select a product to promote. Step 2, place your affiliate link in your bio or profile, provide value in relevant groups. Now, if you really want to take this up a notch, there's a third step. Instead of directing people right to your affiliate link, you can direct them towards an opt-in page that grows your email list. An email list is one of the most powerful assets you can have online. It's the perfect way to build your online business. An email list is also an asset you want to build your long-term business, promote additional products, and increase their value and commission that you'll be getting from each subscriber. If you'd like to learn more about how to be able to build an email list and a step-by-step tutorial, the best way to do that is to build an entire ecosystem of products and services which you'd like to promote. You have to check out the Partner with Anthony training. It's 30 modules of pure step-by-step training where you'll learn exactly what offers to promote, how to promote them, and how to partner with Anthony Morrison himself to actually do the legwork. Come alongside you and promote with you. Pretty cool. Well, click on the link below for free training that shows you exactly how this works. And as always, thank you for subscribing and most importantly, checking out today's video. Make sure you hit the like button to show some love and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my next video. We'll see you next time.